Welcome back to Evil Enigma. In this video, we are going to tell you about a mysterious bottomless hole. Let's begin. A bottomless hole. On 21st Feb 1997, a man named Mel Waters called into a radio show called Coast to Coast Air, which deal with paranormal topics. He told on the radio about a mysterious bottomless pit on his property with very weird qualities. He was refusing to give the location of this hole for various reasons. According to Mel Waters, he used this pit to throw trash and discarded items. One day he noticed that he never heard any sound of materials hitting the bottom. To know about the depth of the hole, he used a fishing line that went to more than 24.5 kilometers and still had not hit the bottom. This story is so sensational and unbelievable that the hole was given a name called Mel's Hole. He also told that hole did not produce an echo, and one day his neighbor threw a dead pet dog into pit, and few days later found his dog alive in the forest. Mel claimed his own dogs are terrified of this hole and refused to go anywhere near it. One day he bought his radio near the pit and it started playing unknown voices. Water appeared on the show in 2000 and told that he once saw a black beam shooting out from the hole. He also stated that if he held metal objects above the pit for some time, they would magically change to other metals. He also said that while walking towards the hole, a man wearing a suit approached him. Behind him are several people in biohazard suits. Man told Water that area is closed due to plane crash and government is leasing the land from him. They paid a generous amount which he used to move to Australia. In 2002, he came to US despite warnings, and on the way to Washington, police captured him. 2 weeks later, he found himself on the street of San Francisco with needle marks and no memory of the event. He managed to get back to his land, finding mysterious people dressed in black and threatening Waters to leave this place. He was told that the land has been taken under control by the government. It was also removed from Terra server, something like Google Earth. Investigators claimed that there was no person living in this area by the name of Mel Waters. The deepest hole is 40,000 feet, and according to geologists, a hole as deep as 80,000 feet is geologically impossible. Going so deep would cause the hole to collapse from high pressure and heat. Till now, nobody knows the identity of Mel Waters and the location of the hole, if it is present or either some secret service is trying to cover up the whole things. There are a number of unexplained and mysterious things going on in this world. What do you think about this one? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more mysterious videos.